Field Control's commercial UV high output systems are designed to prevent toxic biofilm buildup on A coils and significantly reduce airborne germs, viruses, bacteria, and operating costs. The magnetic mount design saves time for an easy and convenient installation in offices, schools, or any indoor commercial spaces. The commercial UV produces zero ozone. The high output lamps come in multiple lengths and outputs for all your applications. FEP coated and non-coated lamps available. Intensity ranges from 270 to 780 microwatts per square centimeter at 1 watt of power. 18,000 hour lamp life for long-lasting durability. An optional UV interlock switch makes the commercial UV easy to shut off for service and maintenance. This ideal solution for facility managers makes it easy to maintain service logs. Improve your indoor air environments easily and efficiently with Field Control's commercial UV flex mount high output systems. To learn more, contact Field Controls or visit our website today.